Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of bold, dramatic lashes and defined eyes, this product is about to become your new best friend. Today, we're looking at the PUPA Milano Vamp, Sexy Lashes and Multiply Set, a 3-piece mascara kit that promises to give you full, voluminous lashes without the hassle of false lashes. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or just looking for a product that'll bring your lashes to life, this set could be exactly what you need. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future reviews. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at what this set has to offer. The PUPA Milano Vamp, Sexy Lashes and Multiply Set includes 3 products designed to give your eyes a full, dramatic look. First up, there's the Lengthening Mascara, which promises to add volume, length, and separation to your lashes with a flake-free formula. The second product is the Defining Eye Pencil, offering high-coverage color that effortlessly defines your eyes with impressive pigmentation. And finally, all of this comes with a spacious pouch bag to keep everything organized, perfect for those on-the-go touch-ups. One of the standout features of the mascara is its innovative curved brush design. It's specially shaped to fit the natural contours of your eye, allowing for maximum product coverage from root to tip. The flexible wand ensures a comfortable application, making it easy to coat each lash evenly. What I really appreciate is that this mascara is buildable. You can start with a single coat for a softer, more defined look, or layer it for added intensity and volume. It's a great feature for those who want versatility in their mascara. As for the eye pencil, it's creamy, smooth, and highly pigmented. It glides on effortlessly, providing full coverage without tugging at the delicate skin around your eyes. The color payoff is impressive, and it lasts throughout the day without fading. Whether you're looking for a soft, subtle line or something more dramatic, this pencil has you covered. I've been using the set for a few days now, and here's my take. The mascara truly lives up to its promises. It gives volume and length without clumping, and I love how customizable the intensity is. If you're someone who likes a more natural look in the morning, but craves bold lashes for an evening out, this mascara lets you achieve both. The Defining Eye Pencil is also a winner, especially if you're a fan of rich, bold eye makeup. It's easy to apply, and it doesn't smudge, even in the heat. Now, as much as I love this set, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the mascara is great at adding volume, those with really short lashes might not get as much length as they would with some other mascaras. But overall, it's a solid product that delivers what it promises. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of value for money, this set is priced at a premium, but it delivers a high-quality mascara and eye pencil. The packaging is elegant and the products perform well. If you're looking for a luxurious, reliable option for eye makeup, this set could be a great investment. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other mascaras and eye pencils available that could give you a similar look at a lower price point. If you're looking for alternatives, there are plenty of great drugstore mascaras that provide similar results without breaking the bank. You might want to check out brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal, which have some fantastic mascaras that can give you similar volume and length. The build quality of the packaging is top-notch. The mascara tube feels sturdy, and the eye pencil is easy to sharpen, making it a convenient addition to your makeup routine. I haven't noticed any issues with longevity. Both the mascara and eye pencil stay put all day without smudging or flaking, which is a major win for me. If you've had any experience with customer support from PUPA Milano, feel free to share in the comments. So far, I haven't had direct interaction with their customer service, but the brand has a strong reputation for high-quality products. To wrap up, the PUPA Milano Vamp, Sexy Lashes and Multiply Set is a great choice for anyone looking to elevate their eye makeup game with a high-performance mascara and eye pencil. The formula is buildable, the packaging is luxurious, and both products perform excellently. If you're looking for a full, dramatic lash look without the hassle of false lashes, this set is definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching, And if you want to grab this set, you'll find the link in the comments or the description box. And of course, if you've used this product before, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.